Shaded gardens don't have to be plain. Today on Southern Gardening, we are exploring some fancy ferns to add beauty, texture, and movement to your landscape. One of my favorites is the Japanese Painted Fern. Its fronds are brushed with silver and accented with burgundy veins, almost like a hand-painted watercolor. This fern stays low, only about 12 to 18 inches tall, and thrives in consistently moist soil. It's a fantastic choice for adding a pop of cool silver color in the shade. By contrast, the Southern Wood Fern grows tall with upright arching fronds that can reach 3 feet in height. Being a native, it's tough, dependable, and perfect for naturalized plantings under trees. Its bright green fronds add a bold texture that really fills the shady space. It looks great lining a brick pathway garden in the landscape. And then there's the graceful Maidenhair Fern. Its wiry black stems hold fan-shaped leaflets that look delicate but are surprisingly resilient if kept moist. It loves humidity and filtered light, and it gives a soft, airy quality that feels almost magical in the garden. It's happiest in filtered shade and thrives in woodland beds, containers, or even tucked near a water feature where the air stays damp. These fancy ferns prove that shade gardens can be just as colorful and full of character as sunny flower beds. I'm Eddie Smith. I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.